Hello, welcome to Math Companion. Now, this question looks quite, it looks hard, but it's a very, very easy question as long as we're able to interpret this second part here. Now, the x root of x to power 8 to power x minus 1 can also be written as 8 to power x minus 1 and to power 1 over x. And then over here, we are multiplying it by 5 to power x is equals to 500. Now, opening the brackets over here, we are actually, maybe we can open the brackets later. We need to figure out about this 500. 500 can also be written in terms of fives. It can be written as 125, which is just equivalent to 5 cubed times 4. Okay, so which is equals to 5 to power x. Now, because we have times 4 here, we are going to convert 8 in terms of 2. So it's going to be 2 to power 3. So times 2 to power 3 into brackets x minus 1 to power 1 over x. All right, now 125, we write it as 5 cubed times 4, we can write it as 2 squared. Now it should be equals to 5 to power x, you multiply by 2 to power 3 into brackets x minus 1, then 1 over x. Now we are going to compare two scenarios here. Remember, before the equal sign, we have multiplication, connecting the numbers with the base of 5 and 2. After the equal sign, we have a multiplication making the connections 2. Now, then, what we are going to do, we are actually going to compare 5 to power x to 5 cubed, like that. These two can be compared. So, which means 5 to power x is simply equals to 5 cubed. And therefore, because the bases are the same, we can conclude that x is equals to 3. All right. Now, let's confirm the same with this second scenario here. Or maybe we are going to have a different answer, okay? So we have this one, we compare it with this one here. Now, this means we are going to have 2 to power 3 into brackets x minus 1, 1 over x is simply equal to 2 squared. We cancel out the bases, which is going to be now 3 into brackets x minus 1, 1 over x, it's equals to 2. Now, to get rid of this denominator in 1 over x, we are going to multiply by x. Over here, we multiply by x. So what we are getting here, it's going to be the x and x cancels out. We are going to have 3 into brackets x minus 1, which is equals to 2x. By opening the brackets, we are going to have 3x minus 3 is equals to 2x. This means by organizing all the like terms together, actually moving negative 3 over here, moving 2x over here, we are going to have 3x minus 2x is equals to 3. And hence, x will be equals to 3. Okay? So this final answer is exactly the same as this one over here. Okay, so we can conclude on this question that x is simply equal to 3. All right, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.